Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another day in my life. Today is Sunday. Naman Pilipinas is a Catholic dominated country. So when it's Sunday, you know the drill. It's a family day. We're going to MOA. Let's go. Nag-almusal lang kami tapos pupunta na daw sa MOA. Parang hindi kami taga Marikina. I'm with the gang. With Raya Bear, chismosa. Passenger princess natin sa dulo. Pero here now at Baclaran, I'm still with the team. I'm with my brother. Say hi, patay ka muna. Hi guys. Dito tayo, maghintay tayo. We're here now at Baclaran Church. Not everybody are able to join us kasi umuulan. May mga baby. May mga babying kasama. So kami na lang muna. Grabe, nakakakilabot when we hear the bell of Baclaran Church na nagre-ring. It's been so long nung nakapunta ako dito, parang bata pa ako. It's my first time to be here nang meron na akong alam. You're talking to the bear? You're so... So guys, we're here now at SM MOA. Hi vlog! Still with the gang. Since it's a family day, I'm with Benice, Tita Beth, Tito Bong, and the team. I'm with my mom too. And Eugene. And Mima, hi! Hey! Nahuli si Mima Maysano. Wow, what's this? It's a pizza yummy. Sobrang hirap! Ang hirap niya! What are you going to buy? Ticket. So we're here now at Gilligan's. Why are you wet? Because it's raining. Is it raining outside? It's raining. Ready to gala again. Busog na naman ang mga ipik. Hi Dwayne, you say hi? Time check, it's 6 p.m.
Change outfit.
Change outfit. Suot na yung yung short na Batman ni Dwayne. Because, nabasa kami. Look at me. I'm so basang sisiw. But it's fine. Sabi nga nila mas okay daw yung mga hindi pinlano. Mas natutuloy. Kahit yung ulan, di namin yan pinlano pero natuloy. Time check guys, it's 7 p.m. We're still at SM MOA with the kiddos. We say hi.
Kiddos!
Hi kiddos! Me mamais and my mom. We say hi. And still with the kids. Eh, isang A naman dyan. Eh. DQ treats from Ate Aba. How was your DQ? Ano yun? Tingnan ko nga kung di malalaglag. Sige nga. Eh.
There's a chocolate inside.
You're so Can I see your TikTok eyes? TikTok eyes? Wow, 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 wow. Pugi naman. Tapos na ang aming family day out. We're on our way home now. Thank you for joining us today. Bye.